Hi, welcome back. So in the previous video, we have discussed the basic definition of probability. With that, we have seen a few more terms related to probability. We have seen the theorems and we have solved a few questions related to those theory. Now in this video, we will solve a few problems and this will help you to know how you can attempt to solve the questions of probability. All right, I'm solving only 5 to 6 questions, not more, because eventually we will be solving more questions of different competitive examinations. So let's start with the first question here. It is said a point P is chosen at random on a line AB of length 2L. What is the probability of AP into with BP is greater than L square by 2? So you will have to find the probability of this condition given. So here it is said you are having a random line AB and the length of this particular line is 2L, right? A point P is chosen. So I'm considering this point to be the P and this length X. So the length of BP is what? It is 2L minus X. Clear? Now you see, when you are solving the questions of probability, you need the number of favorable ways and the total number of ways. So when you are given such condition, favorable outcome you will get from this condition. So here the favorable length we will get from this condition. So the condition is AP into with BP. So AP is X, BP is 2L minus X, right? It is greater than L square by 2. Now you can write 2LX minus X square, it is greater than L square by 2. So finally, if you take minus sign common, you will get X square minus 2LX. All right, this will become less than. Okay, and in the right hand side, you will have minus L square by 2. Clear? Now you see, to make it A minus B whole square, what I will do, this is X square minus 2XL. I'm adding L square on the left hand side also, on the right hand side also. So this is L square by 2 plus L square. So finally, this will give you X minus L whole square. From here, I will get what? L square by 2, but with a positive sign. So I'm writing it to be L by root 2 whole square. Clear? So you know when X square is what? Less than A square. That means X is greater than minus A, but less than A. The same thing we will write here. This is X, this is A here. That means X minus L, it is greater than what? Minus L by root 2, but less than L by root 2. Clear? So from here you can write X is greater than what? L minus L by root 2, and it is less than L plus L by root 2. Now you see, this is the favorable condition, that X will be greater than this but less than this. Clear? So we know the total number of favorable ways, probability is what? Total number of favorable ways divided by, total number of favorable ways divided by total number of ways, means favorable ways divided by total number of ways. So here total is what? The total length is what? 2L, and favorable length will be what? Greater than this, less than this, right? So it is what? L plus L by root 2, okay, minus with L minus L by root 2. Clear? So from here, when you will do this, when you solve this, you will get L plus L by root 2 minus L plus L by root 2 divided by 2L. So this L and L will get cancelled. You will have what? 2L by root 2 divided by 2L. And this will give you 1 by root 2. All right. So this is the probability of AP cross BP greater than L square by 2. It's 1 by root 2. Clear? Because you got it from what? Favorable length divided by the total length. Done? So this is how you can solve. Now let's see the next question. So here it is said a 6-faced dice is a biased one. Biased dice, you know that it is not equally like. Okay, it is thrice more likely to show an odd number than to show an even number. All right. What is the probability that the sum of the numbers in the two throw is even? So it is saying that you are having a biased dice. Okay, biased dice means the chances of the outcome are not equally like. Clear? So here it is said that to get an odd number, you are having thrice more chances compared to that you will get an even number. Okay, compare that the number of time you will get an even number, that is more likely less than the odd one, and it is how much? To get odd one, you will have thrice more chances. Okay, what is the probability that the sum of the numbers in the two throw is even? So you will have to find the probability that in two throw the sum of the numbers that you will get, it is even. All right. So for this, you see, we know for unbiased dice, what you're having, probability of odd, it is equals to probability of even. And total probability is what? Probability of odd plus probability of even, it is equals to 1. Here for a biased die, it is said odd number you will get what? Thrice more. Okay, means probability of odd will be what? 3 times, right? Of the probability of even. So it will be this, just we are putting the given condition. It is equals to 1. So probability of even, it is equals to what? 1 by 4, right? So this is the probability to get even in a biased dice. To get probability of odd, it will be what? It will be what? Let's see. So from this you can write what? To get probability of odd, this is, you got this to be what? This is 1 by 4. So you will write what? 1 minus 1 by 4, right? Just substitute the value of even here. So you will get here 3 by 4. This is the probability to get an odd number in a dice, okay, which is biased. This is the probability to get an even. Clear? Now you see, here it is said you need to tell what is the probability the sum of the numbers in the two true is even. So when you will get the sum of the numbers to be even? When either of them are even, or okay, either you will get in both the numbers to be what? Even? Yes or no? In the two row, the number should be even or it should be odd. That means if you get 2, 2, 3, 3, but if you get one even, one odd and one even, it's not an even number. Okay. So you will get the numbers to be even when both the numbers are either odd or it's even. Okay. This is what it is. So you can write the probability, okay, of the sum of numbers to be even, okay, in two through. So the probability p prime I'm taking of anything x or whatever you can consider. It is what? Probability of even, right? Plus the probability of odd. That means the numbers should be either even both or odd both. So probability of even is what? 1 by 4. So it is into with 1 by 4. Plus here you are having what? 3 by 4 into with 3 by 4. So ultimately you will get here what? 1 by 16 plus 9 by 16. So it is 10 by 16. So it is 2 5s are 2 8s. So you will get the probability to be what? 5 by 8. That the probability that the sum of the numbers in the two three is even, that is 5 by 8. Clear? So that's it. Now let's see the next question. So now let's see the next question, question number 3. Here it is say a problem is given to 3 students A, B, C, whose chances of solving are 1 by 2, 1 by 3 and 1 by 4 respectively. What is the probability that this problem will be solved? So here it is saying that you are having 3 students A, B, C, and you're having a problem. A can solve the problem. The probability is 1 by 2. For B, it's 1 by 3. For C, it's 1 by 4. You are asked to find the probability this problem will be solved. That means either A or B can solve, or B and C, or A and C, whatever it is. So for this, we will find that first none of them are solving the problem. All right, this is how we will do, so that it will become very easy. Okay, that when all of them are not solving the problems. Okay, because the problem will not be solved when either of them is not solving. Okay, so first we will see this is the probability of solving. For A it is 1 by 2, for B it is 1 by 3, and for C it is 1 by 4, right? So probability of not solving, for A it will be what? Because we know total probability is 1, so it is 1 minus 1 by 2, right? For B it will be 1 minus 1 by 3. For C it is 1 minus 1 by 4. Okay, so when you will subtract, you will get it to be 1 by 2. This you will get to be 2 by 3, and this you will get to be 3 by 4. Okay, now you see the problem will not be solved when none of them are solving. So the probability, okay, that the problem will not be solved, okay, will not be solved, it is equals to what? this multiplication of probability of failure for all of them, right? So it is 1 by 2 into it, 2 by 3 into it, 3 by 4. So 3 gets cancelled, 2 gets cancelled, it is 1 by 4. So this is the probability that the problem will not be solved. So therefore, the probability that the problem will be solved, it is equals to what? Total probability minus 1 by 4. So that is 3 by 4. Clear? Why we have taken that we are going through like the problem cannot be solved? Because when you are taking the probability that the problem will be solved, here it is said either A, B, C, or are having the probability to solve. So either A or B can do B or C. So when you will do it in that way, it will become very complicated. So you are using this particular way, means you are going for the reverse one. Clear? So now let's see the next question. So here what it is given, let a matrix P, 1 A, B, C, here A, B, C are chosen randomly from the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the probability that P is singular? So you will have to find the probability this matrix is singular. So we know when is the matrix singular? When its determinant is equals to 0. So you will write P is singular, okay, when determinant of P is equals to 0. All right, determinant of P will be what? Cross multiplication C minus AB is equals to 0. That means C is equals to B, AB. This is the condition. Clear? Now this condition will give us the favorable outcome condition, right? So now we will find the total outcome. Favorable we will get from this condition. So total outcome. So total outcome will be what? Here A, B, C. It can be what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when you will put here A to be equals to what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B to be equals to 1, 2, 5. C to be equals to 1, 2, 5. So you will get 5 matrices, right? For A you will get 5. For B you will get 5. For C you will get 5. So total it is what? 125. This is the total matrices that can be formed. Clear? Now we will see favorable matrices that can be formed. Okay. For favorable conditions, it should be what? C is equals to AB, the product of AB, right? Now for that we will make a table. This is C, this is A, B. So for that C, suppose you are taking C to be equals to what? 1. Okay. So when will be C equals to 1? When A is 1 and B is 1, right? When you would put any other condition 2, 3, it is not coming. When C is equals to 2, when will be C equals to 2? When A is 1, B is 2. It will be equals to 2 when A is 2, B is 1, right? For 3 also it is 1, 3. Okay, 3, 1. When C is equals to 4, you can get what? When both are 2, or you can write when it is A is 1, B is 4, or when A is 4, B is 1. For 5, you will write what? 5, 1, or 1, 5. So total you are getting how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total favorable matrices is what? 10. This is favorable matrices. So probability that P is singular, it is what? P is singular. Okay. For that it is favorable divided by total. So it is what? 5 2s are, and this is 5 25 times. So it is 2 by 25. So this is how you can calculate. It's not very tough. It's quite easy. Clear? Now let's see the next question. So now let's see question number 5. Here it is said what is the greater than 1 while the value randomly from the interval 0, 1. You have to choose in such a way that x plus y is greater than 1, but there some square. Okay, this what? X plus y. All right, x plus y it is greater than 1, but x square plus y square it is less than 1. This is the given condition. That means it will give you the favorable condition. Okay, so here in the question, suppose this is x, this is y, right? X is within the interval 0 to 1. Okay, that is x and y can take any value between 0 to 1. So this is the sample space. Okay, this can be 0 to 1, this can be 0 to 1. Sample space is equals to what? You can write here sample space. It is equals to square of side A. All right. Now let's say x plus y is greater than 1. All right. So for this you see, suppose this is a line. It denotes x plus y. Okay, this is x plus y greater than 1. Okay, this line is denoting x plus y. So the numbers which you will need, okay, that will be above this line. Yes or no? Right? And the next condition is x square plus y square is less than 1. We know x square plus y square is equals to 1. This is a equation of circle, okay, whose center is what? At the origin and radius is 1. So for this you will write this is x and this is y. So this is the circle. All right. So this is 0, 0 and this is 1, 0. This is 0, 1. Right. So here this line is for x plus y greater than, this is for x plus y. Okay. So this will be the reason for what? X plus y greater than 1. And this is x square plus y square is greater than, is less than y 1. Okay, so you see, you will have to choose the region, okay, which is satisfying both this condition. Means x plus y is greater than 1 and x square plus y square is less than 1. So this is the reason, right? That means if you see, this is a circle, this is a quadrant of the circle, and this is a triangle. When you will subtract the area of this triangle with this quadrant, you will get the probability that you need, okay, for the given condition. Clear? This is what it is. Probability for favorable area by total area. Clear? So here when you will see, total area is a square of side A. That is, the total area is side into which side. Favorable will be what? 1 by 4 pi r square, because this is a quadrant, minus with what? Area of the triangle, half into base into altitude. So if you see the base, this is the base, this is the altitude. So the value is 1 for both. So you will write probability is equals to what? Favorable area divided by total area. Done. Favorable area is what? Quadrant's area, right? R square minus with what? Half into base into altitude is 1 into with 1 divided by total area is square. Okay, so its area is what? Side into with side. All right, so what you will get? This is pi r square is 1 square, so it is 1. So it is pi by 4 minus 1 by 2. This is side square is 1 square is 1. Right, so it is pi by 4 minus 1 by 2. So this is the required probability that you are asked to find. Clear? Now let's see the next question. And this is the last question of this video. So here question number 6 is, from a pack of 52 cards, one is drawn at random. What is the probability that the card is either king or spade? So 52 cards are there. Okay. The card is drawn one at random. You will have to find the probability that the card is either a king or spade. So in the last class, we have seen what do you have in a card? Okay. So you're having club, right? You're having diamond, you're having heart, and you're having spade, right? So in each you're having how many cards? 13 cards, right? So if you see here, each one of them is having what? One king, right? So total king is how many? Total king is 4, and total spade in a card you're having 13. Now you see here, you will have to find the probability that the card is either a king or a spade. Clear? So total probability is what? 52. So you will have to find what? Here these are favorable. These are favorable. Okay. So probability of spade, it will be how much? Favorable is 13 divided by total, it's 52. So it is 1 by 4. And for probability for king, it will be what? It is 4 by 52. So it is 1 by 13. Right? So you see here, when you will see, here in spade also you are having a king, right? So you will have to take what? We cannot take that spade, that king which is also a spade, because it should be either a king or a spade. So you will have to exclude that, right? Probability of king or spade. Okay. king and spade, that the card is king also and it's spade also. That is what? 1 by 52. Yes or no? Because there is only one card which is king also and spade also. So we will write the probability, okay, for king and spade, that the card is also king also and spade, that is favorable is 1, total is 52, right? Now either king or spade. Okay, probability for what? Either king or spade. All right, so that will be how much? We will calculate that it is a king also and it is a spade also. Clear? So that how you calculate? You will do here this probability of spade, that is plus 1 by 4, plus probability of being king, minus that it is the king and spade. So you will exclude that one particular card's probability. So finally you will get here what? This is 50, 2 is the LCM. So this will give you 13 plus 4 minus 1. So this will give you what? 16, right? Divided by 52. So when you will cancel, you will get, this is what? 4 4s are 4 13s are. So this is giving you 4 by 13 is the probability that the card is either a king or spade. Clear? So when you have seen the entire 6 questions you've seen, the questions are not tough. You need to just see what the question is asking for. The basic formula of total number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of possible outcomes. Clear? And I've said you will have to keep in mind the 52 cards, how many kings are there, what a card is consisting of. Okay. Second thing is that you will get the favorable number, favorable length, or what the favorable thing, whatever the favorable quantity it is that you will get from the given condition. Clear? So that's all in this video. Thank you so much. Have a good day.